Good morning everyone. My name is Mrs. Rajkumari Chauhan. I teach in Anjuman Islam A. Khatkate English Secondary School. Today I am going to teach you a topic on informal letter. It is for standard 5th. So let's begin with the topic. Letter. Any written message conveyed from one person to other are called as letters. It is usually through letters or postcards. There are two types of letters, that is formal letters and informal letter. Now we'll see what are these two types of letter. Formal letter. Formal letter are also called as business or professional letters. They are usually sent to the firm or any administrative department. They are simple in language and to the point. If you see informal letters, they are personal communication between your friends, relatives. And usually we find the letters are written in casual and emotional tone. Now, how to write a letter, which is one of the important part. So there are 6 points which has to be considered. First is sender detail. Now who are the sender? If I am writing the letter, obviously then I am the sender. Sender means writing the address of the sender. So I should write my address on the left side, and then below that I need to write the date. The common way to write the date is, like, take example, if I am writing 2nd March 2020, then I should write 2nd March March 2020. This is how usually it is written in the letter. So after date, salutation. Salutation means writing like dear bestie. So that is called as salutation. So after the date, it will come dear mother. Then comes the main body. The body has to be in 3 parts. The first one is the introduction, where you may ask that how are you, what you're feeling about, in general. It should be general topic. Then comes the main message in the 2nd paragraph, what you're talking about, and the last is the closure, or you can say the summarize of that message or the letter. Then comes the complimentary closure. That is usually when we end the letter. So ending the letter means like sincerely, faithfully, loving. That is called complimentary closure. Then name and signature. So these are the important things which you need to have in informal letters. Now I will show you one sample letter so that you can understand it properly. Now here the letter is, write a letter to your uncle thanking him for a birthday gift. So here the sender has written the address, then the date, that is 10th October 2020, then the salutation, dear uncle, then the first part that is also called as introduction. Thank you so much for your wonderful birthday present. Cousin Ria reached here yesterday and gave me the wristwatch you sent. Uncle, the gift is superb. It is just what I wanted. Then the 2nd paragraph. We had a lovely party last evening. Ria sang for us. My friends were delighted. I received a lot of presents, but none was so grand as yours. Then the last paragraph. Do take care of yourself, uncle. Give my love to auntie and thanks for your present. Your loving niece XYZ. So this is how the letter is. So in informal letter, it is not compulsory to write 3 paragraphs. Even you can end up in 2 paragraphs, but mostly this is the way you write. So I hope you're clear with the sample letter which is given. So I want you all to practice it with the 6 points which I gave you. That was the address, the dates, the salutation, the body, which was mostly in 3 parts, and then the last part, which is also called as complimentary closure. Okay, thank you students. Thank you.